Hey, that's JD and FIA. Just wanted to take a second and show you some theory concepts that you can use to improve your playing and also build upon. All right, so we're going to look at the concept of 2-5-1s. All right, bringing those. All right, and just showing you some different theory and stuff behind what you're doing. All right, so if we take a 2-5-1 in the key of D flat, all right, D flat major. All right, if we take a 2-5-1, we're going to play E flat minor, A flat, all right, to a D flat major, all right, D flat major 7, whatever. All right, what we're doing is we're going to turn those into all minor chords so we can keep the progression moving, and then we'll finally resolve it a little bit later. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to play an E flat minor first chord, E flat minor 9, left hand E flat, B flat, right hand D flat, F, G flat, B flat, all right, E flat minor 9. All right, we're going to go to the 5 chord. To get to the 5 chord, all we're going to do is take on the right hand, the note that's on D flat, we're going to move it down to C. All right, and we're going to drop down to A flat, E flat, and A flat in our left hand. That's going to give us an A flat 13. All right, so we got E flat minor 9, drop the thumb to an A flat 13. All right, now we're going to play a D flat minor 9 instead of playing a D flat major to play a 2-5-1 in D flat. All right, so the D flat minor 9, we're going to play D flat, A flat in the left hand. Right hand, we're going to play B, E flat, E, A flat. So, yeah, turning that D flat major into a minor chord. All right, and then from there we're gonna drop it one more down to that C7 sharp 9 right there. So all we did was take the note that's on B and drop it down to B flat. All right, and then we're gonna take the D flat and A flat and move it down to C and G and keep everything else the same. So I got C, G, B flat, E flat, E, A flat. So once again, 2, 5, D flat minor 9, drop it down, all right? And then we're going to continue it by playing a 2-5-1 in A flat. Do the same concept. All right, so those chords, playing a B flat minor 9, left hand B flat, F on the left hand, right hand A flat, C, D flat, F. All right, that's a 2 chord. Then we're going to, same thing that we did before, we're going to drop the thumb. So the note that's on A flat, move it down to G. And the right hand, we're going to go to E flat and B flat and then E flat. That's going to be an E flat 13. All right. And then instead of playing an A flat major chord, like a normal 2-5-1, we're going to play a flat minor 9. Left hand A flat, E flat, right hand G flat, B flat, B, E flat. And we're going to do the same thing that we did to the D flat minor. We're going to drop it down a half step to the F, G and D, and then right hand on the F to G flat went to the F. So we got F, B flat, B, and E flat, same chord. So all together, 2-5-1, drop it down, 2-5-1, drop it down. All right, and then you can play a G flat major 7 chord. All right, got G flat, D flat in my left hand, right hand F, A flat, B flat, D flat. All right, and then from here, take it to a F7 sharp 5 sharp 9. Left hand F, C, F, right hand A, D flat, that's our sharp 5, E flat, that's our 7, and A flat up top, that's our sharp 9. All right, from here, Let me let you hear that in context. 2, 5, 1. From here, we got to turn it around to get to back to the E flat. So we're gonna play a B flat 7. Left hand B flat F, right hand A flat C D F. So we got, and that's gonna set us up to go back to our F7 sharp 5 9 to the B flat. All right, now some theory. What you can do is, one thing you can do is called tritone substitutions. All right, what that means is you can take the note in basically the bass, the note that's in the bass. You can take that note and play the note that's a tritone away from it. A tritone is 3 whole steps. All right, so if I'm on, for example, D flat, let me just show you. If I'm on C, a tritone away from C is going to be 3 whole steps. So I got from C to D, 1, that's 2, and then another whole step, 3. So the tritone away from C is G flat or F sharp. All right, tritone from B flat, all right, will be E. 3 whole steps, 1, 2, 3. It's the worst sounding combination, not really, but it can be useful. But if you just play them, right, not very pleasant. All right, tritone. All right, so what you can do is you can play the note that's a tritone away from the note that you're originally playing. For example, if I'm playing my 2 5 1 in D flat, 2, and I go to A flat here, instead of playing A flat, I can play the note that's a tritone away from A flat. That's going to be A flat to B flat is 1, C is 2, the D. So D is a tritone away from A flat. So I can play a D in the bass, all right, over the same chord. Keep my chord the same. All right, so you have, all right. Then you can go to the D flat, down to the C. What it does for you, it allows you to play chromatically, if you want to. All right. Now, what if you don't want to? You can play the E flat, the D. All right. The next chord is D flat. All right. Instead of playing the D flat, how about we play a tritone away from D flat? Tritone away from D flat. 1, 2, 3. G. So instead of playing D flat, we're gonna play the G. So we got, all right, go up to the C. That's the next chord because we would have dropped down from the D flat to the C. Once again. So instead of playing, instead of playing the C, you can play the tritone away from the C, which is G flat. We talked about that earlier. All right, so that'll give you, the half step going down to the G flat. All right, that's the 2 5 1. We're still doing the 2 5 1 for D flat, remember? All right, then we're gonna turn around, come to do the 2 5 1 for A flat, and use the same substitutions. That's the chromatic walk down. I can say the tritone away from the next chord is E flat. So I can say, instead of playing the A flat, I can play the D flat, the D. All right. You can see I can go anywhere, so you can create endless possibilities. Take it all the way down, chromatic. What I did there, instead of playing the B flat, I played the E. Once again, so you got, all all of it would work by the theory. So yeah.